Hello, today we're going to change reverse lockout brake solenoid on a Trailstar trailer. Here's a new solenoid, ordered online, part number 11286, watts 10, MOPD 800. I'm going to cut the zip tie to get the electrical connector free. I'm going to take off the solenoid. Zip tie. Now we got the wires free. Just disconnect it right here. Quick disconnect. Get the quick disconnect disconnected. So I grabbed it with some channel locks. Put some pressure on it. Got it broken free. Now I'm going to take it out. There's the solenoid. Rubber gasket still up in there. Make sure you remove the old gasket. There it is. Got the new one hand tightened up there. We tightened it up. Stick a screwdriver in the slot, tighten it up a little bit more. Then we're going to hook up the electrical connector. It comes with a lot of extra wire. Depends on how far you need it. Mine's short. See the old one. You don't need to be very long for me. Cut this. I'm going to hook up the wire. I'm going to cut this to length. Hook it back up. I'm going to strip the wire, put it on the connector. One end stripped. This piece of wire I had in my toolbox already had a connector on it. Let's get this piece of wire. I connect this piece of wire to the solenoid so we can connect it to the connector. Got this heat shrink butt connector. Like this. I'm gonna crimp that. Crimp that together. I'm going to heat this heat shrink up for a watertight seal. Heat this up. Just wrap the wire around the wire harness and we'll zip tie it back up. Put some electrical tape on the connector, keep it together. Got it zip tie back into place. Reverse lockout brake solenoids replaced. If yours is leaking, you can order it online and replace it yourself. Hope this video helped you out. Now you have to bleed the brakes since we opened the system up, and you'll be good to hit the road. Hope this video helped you out. Please like and subscribe.